a dedicated standard for specialized repair. In 2026, 1UPFIX was established as a specialized brand focused on the rigorous demands of professional repair environments. Eliminate uncertainty with a proven 0.5% defect rate and standardized factory inspections. We deeply optimize the supply chain to provide you with high-reliability mainframe spare parts. All products are shipped directly from Chinese factories, providing you with solid quality assurance and cost advantages. Comprehensive component supply. From core modules to external housings, our full range of spare parts is precision engineered for all major platforms, including PlayStation, Xbox, and Switch. B2B supply chain advantage. Our factory direct model eliminates multi-tier distribution markups, coupled with a rigorous real device testing process to ensure stable lead times and healthy profit margins. Expert technical support. We provide professional diagnostic guidance and end-to-end technical support for high-frequency repair challenges like stick drift, serving as a trusted one-stop resource for technicians worldwide. Standardized quality control. All components are subject to unified factory inspection standards. We implement 100% inspection for critical parts and rigorous batch testing for general components to minimize defect rates at the source. Technical performance excellence. Our work goes beyond simple replication. Through innovative technologies such as anti-drift Hall effect modules, we optimize our components to meet or exceed OEM performance standards. Your manufacturing partner. We function not just as a supplier, but as a direct extension of your manufacturing arm. We provide flexible support for the entire procurement lifecycle, from initial sample testing to high-volume enterprise orders. Comprehensive coverage across all generations, from next-gen systems like PS5 and Xbox Series X to legacy platforms including Sega, Wii, and NDSL. Our extensive catalog provides the essential components needed for diverse repair requirements. Your premium one-stop hub for professional repairs. Our B2B portal provides OEM-grade screens, optical drives, cooling fans, precision flex cables, and so on. Register as a B2B member to unlock exclusive tiered wholesale pricing and maximize your profit margins. Engineered for high-volume repair scenarios, our components are backed by a dedicated after-sales channel and extended warranty policies. We ensure that repair shops and wholesalers achieve consistent standards with total peace of mind. As a source factory specializing in high-precision 3D joysticks, reinforcing plastic cases, and internal maintenance spares, 1UPFIX remains committed to a factory direct model, providing reliable hardware solutions for technicians worldwide. 1UPFIX. Fix it, play on.